The following is a list of most Navy enlisted and officer jobs, with short descriptions. Unlisted careers. Scroll down for officer careers. Aviation boatswain's mates play a major part in launching and recovering naval aircraft from land or ships. This includes preparing and fueling planes prior to takeoff and after landing. They may specialize in launching and recovering aircraft on the flight deck of an aircraft carrier, aircraft fueling and fuel systems, or aircraft handling, firefighting and salvage and rescue operations. Air traffic controllers perform duties similar to civilian air traffic controllers and play a key role in the effective use of naval air power throughout the world in operational and training environments. Aviation machinist mates keep naval aircraft power plants and related systems, armament and ordnance systems, and aircraft ground support equipment in operational condition. Aviation electricians mates maintain electrical and navigational equipment in aircraft including power generators, power distribution systems, lighting systems, flight instrument and fuel systems, temperature and pressure indicating systems. Aerographers mates are the Navy's meteorological and oceanographic experts, trained in the science of meteorology and physical oceanography. Aviation storekeepers ensure materials and equipment needed for naval aviation activities are available in good order. Aviation structural mechanics, safety equipment, maintain and repair utility systems throughout the aircraft. They work on systems such as air conditioning, heating, pressurization and oxygen, plus multiple safety devices. Aviation structural mechanics, hydraulics, maintain all aircraft main and auxiliary hydraulic power systems, actuating subsystems and landing gear. Aviation structural mechanics handle maintenance on the aircraft fuselage, mainframe, wings, airfoils and associated fixed and movable surfaces and flight controls. Aviation ordnancemen inspect, maintain and repair aircraft mechanical and electrical armament and ordnance systems, and stow, assemble and load aviation ammunition. Aviation support equipment technicians keep naval aircraft power plants and related systems, armament and ordnance systems, and aircraft ground support equipment in top operational condition. Aviation electronics technicians repair advanced electronic systems. Repair jobs can range from flight deck troubleshooting of the electronic weapons system on an F-14 aircraft to changing computer circuit cards in an air-conditioned shop. Aviation warfare technicians operate airborne electronic equipment, detect, locate and track submarines, and operate radar to provide information for aircraft and surface ship navigation. Aviation maintenance administration men perform a variety of clerical, administrative and managerial duties necessary to keep aircraft maintenance activities running efficiently. Boatswain's mates keep exterior surfaces of ships in good condition, maintain machinery and equipment on ships' decks, and handle cargo and operate small boats. Carpenters make up a large segment of the Navy's construction force. They work as carpenters, plasterers, roofers, concrete finishers, masons, painters, bricklayers or cabinet makers. Navy construction electricians build, maintain and operate power production facilities and electrical distribution systems for naval installations. Construction mechanics repair and do maintenance on heavy construction and automotive equipment such as buses, dump trucks, bulldozers, rollers, cranes, backhoes, pile drivers and other heavy equipment and vehicles. Cryptologic technician, administrative, performs technology-based administrative functions using software applications within a global information environment, perform personnel and physical security duties. Cryptologic technician, interpretive, analyzes foreign naval developments, radio telephone communications and preparation of statistical studies and technical reports requiring knowledge of a foreign language. Cryptologic technician, communication, operates telecommunications systems that exist across the global communication spectrum. Advanced networking and information management skills support the movement of huge volumes of data to operating forces ashore and afloat. Cryptologic technician, collects and analyzes state-of-the-art communication signals using sophisticated high-powered computers, specialized computer-assisted communications equipment, video display terminals and electronic magnetic recorders. Cryptologic technician, technical, processes airborne, shipborne and land-based radar systems and associated signals. Damage controlmen do the work necessary for damage control, ship stability, firefighting, fire prevention and chemical, biological and radiological warfare defense. Dispersing clerks maintain pay records and process travel claims for the Navy. Illustrators are draftsmen who prepare original art, technical illustrations and graphics for briefings, training aids and publications at Navy and Joint Service Commands. Dental technicians perform duties as assistants in the prevention and treatment of oral disease and injury and assist dental care professionals in providing dental care to Navy people and their families. Engineering aides assist construction engineers in developing final construction plans. Electricians mates manage a ship's electrical power generation systems, lighting systems, electrical equipment and electrical appliances. Enginemen operate, service and repair internal combustion engines used to power some of the Navy's ships and most of the Navy's small craft. Equipment operators are construction workers who operate heavy transportation and construction equipment such as trucks, bulldozers, backhoes, graders, forklifts, cranes and asphalt equipment. Electronics technicians repair, adjust and calibrate a broad spectrum of electronic equipment, and analyze performance of electronic equipment, replacing or repairing parts. Electronic warfare technicians operate and conduct preventive maintenance on computer-controlled electronic equipment used for detection, analysis, and identification